In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the ruler in Microsoft Word, which is a handy tool for aligning text, graphics, tables, and more. Sometimes though, it might not be visible by default. Don't worry though, because in the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the process of displaying it on your screen. To get started, you first need to open Microsoft Word. If you're using the online version, head over to the Microsoft 365 website. Enter the URL in your browser, which will take you to the free Microsoft 365 online page. This is an easy way to work with Word without needing any additional software installed on your device. Once you have the website up, locate and click the Sign In button at the top right. This will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account. So, go ahead and enter your credentials, your email and password, and sign in. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can register quickly by following the on-screen prompts to create a new one. After signing in, you'll be directed to a page with various Microsoft apps. Here, you want to select Word. Click on the Word icon to enter the application. Once inside, you'll have the option to open recent documents or start a new one. For this demonstration, let's navigate directly to creating a new document since we're focusing on displaying the ruler. With a new document open, you might notice that the ruler is not visible by default. To make it appear, we need to tweak a few settings. Let's start by looking towards the top left of your screen. You should see a ribbon menu with various tabs like File, Home, Insert, and others. Click on the Home tab first. Although it doesn't directly deal with the ruler, it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these tabs, especially if you're new to Word, as they contain a multitude of useful functions. Next, we'll turn our attention to the View tab, which is where you'll be able to make the ruler visible. Click on View, and a new set of options will appear in the ribbon below. Look for the Show group, and what you want to do is find the box labeled Ruler. All you need to do is click this checkbox. Once it's checked, both the horizontal and vertical rulers will appear in your document workspace. Having your ruler displayed really simplifies the alignment process and helps maintain your document's cohesiveness. Whether you're adjusting margins or ensuring that your tables and text are straight, the ruler is an essential tool. Remember, showing or hiding the ruler is easily reversible, so you can always adjust your workspace to fit your needs just by revisiting the View tab. And there you have it, a clear, straightforward way to make the ruler visible in Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you gain a better grasp of managing your document's layout. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this with anyone who might find it useful.